Presenting ETL Validator from Datagaps, your all-in-one solution for automated ETL testing and data quality monitoring. This powerful tool simplifies the complex process of validating data as it moves through your organization's pipelines. ETL Validator is perfect for validating data migration scenarios. When you're moving data from one platform to another, it ensures that your data remains accurate and consistent throughout the process. ETL Validator supports ETL process validation by not only checking ETL logic but also allowing you to transform data directly within the tool using SQL, Python, or Scala. Whether you're cleaning, reshaping, or computing new metrics, it ensures transformation rules are applied accurately and consistently. Using this tool, you can spot changes in your schema or metadata with ease and ensure your data pipeline remains reliable. It also enables users to deploy custom rules to assess the quality of source datasets. ETL Validator connects to over 40 data sources, including popular platforms like Snowflake, Databricks, AWS S3, and Google BigQuery. It also supports all major file types. Powered by Apache Spark, it's built to autoscale, handling millions to billions of records with ease. This tool simplifies test creation with a drag-and-drop visual builder and a query builder. With Gen AI integration, users can test transformations using prompts, making test setup effortless without manual queries. To streamline your testing process, ETL Validator's Wizard Agent allows you to create multiple test cases in bulk. This saves time and effort. Adding to this, ETL Validator comes equipped with Agentic AI to automate the creation of ETL test cases using mapping documents or stored procedures. ETL Validator can integrate data quality and governance tools either through API connection or JDBC connection. It also offers more than 50 plugins for a range of use cases from ticketing to read-write operations. Schedule tests, set notification alerts, report and share results with your team in real time. ETL Validator is your partner in building reliable and high-quality data pipelines.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.